Hello there. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you did a YouTube search about coming to the Philippines. This is especially for those who are interested in coming but not sure where to start or where to go when they get here. Then there will be those who want to see the actual destinations before they decide where to go or how long to stay there. And this is exactly what this is about. With this travel series, you'll be able to see from your phone where to turn when you want to go somewhere, where to go find food, where to find ground transportation to the mall, to restaurants, to destinations that you want to go to once you get here. So give it a look. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here we are at the airport. My friend just happened to send me some footage from Miami. Checking your baggage, getting in there, getting through security to your gate, getting on the airplane. Here you are at Clark International Airport. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It looks kind of desolate, but actually Clark really never gets that busy. The good news is getting through customs shouldn't take more than 25-30 minutes. In Manila, it could take you 2.5 hours. How much is it to Sogo Hotel?
Sogo Hotel, sir. 500.
Okay. It's okay. No. You probably couldn't hear that guy, but he said 500. And then when I started to walk away, he said 400. How
How are you, sir?
How much to Sogo Hotel in Dao?
In Dao, sir?
Yeah.
Just a meter.
How much?
Meter.
I don't. Can you give me an estimate?
Maybe a 300 pesos.
You have the 300? Okay, thank you. When I asked him how much, he said he's going to use the meter. That's our guy. The guy you want to use is the guy that's going to use the meter. Now here's another look, and this one's taking you to the bus that will also go to Dao or the hotel that I've recommended, which is the Sogo. The taxi is going to take you between 300 to 400 pesos or $6 to $8. The bus will cost you 100 pesos or about $2, and it'll take you right behind the Sogo Hotel, which is why I've recommended it. That bus terminal, you can get to Manila, you can get to Baguio, you can get to pretty much everywhere you want to go in northern Luzon. Now here's the bus terminal at the end of that walkway. From here you can get to several destinations. That bus goes to Quezon City, Manila. This bus goes to Dao, which is where the Sogo Hotel is, I've recommended. I recommended the Sogo Hotel because it's adjacent to the Dao bus terminal. This vacant spot is where the bus would be if you're going to Baguio. I highly recommend Baguio, as you'll see in this series. Now this bus goes to the Manila airport. And some people are going to go, why the heck would I fly into Angeles and then turn around and go to the Manila airport? Well, the reason is because you'd probably get through customs and be out of the airport sooner. I avoid Manila airport like the plague. I've just had too many bad experiences there. There's the Sogo Hotel. Right next to the Sogo Hotel is McDonald's. If you're going to eat at McDonald's, when you go out, take a right turn, and you'll walk right down to the hotel, about a half a block away. As you walk to the Sogo, on the way down there, there's typically a fresh fruit stand there, depending on the time of day, and it might not be there on a Sunday. Right next to the hotel is the guy selling peanuts. If you're let out by a taxi, this is where you'll get out. Directly in back is the Dao bus terminal if you took a bus. Here's the entrance to the hotel, and the desk is straight ahead where you would check in. It's always easy to make reservations online. One of the first things you're going to need to do when you get to the Philippines is eat something. Probably been on a plane for quite a while and you're hungry. So that's why I pointed out the McDonald's restaurant. There's also plenty of restaurants at the mall. The other thing you're going to need is a SIM card for your phone if you want to be able to use your phone there. Right there is a trike if you want to take a trike to the mall. There's always one there. It'll cost about 100 to 150 pesos. I'm standing in front of the 7-Eleven, which is across from the McDonald's, where we catch a Jeepney if you want to go that way. A Jeepney is going to cost about 12 pesos, and a taxi is probably about 75 to 100. When you get in the Jeepney here, it'll take you directly to the SM Clark. That's where it lets everybody out. Right about in here is where they let you out. So just follow the path and you'll see where to go. The reason I think getting to SM is so important is because this is where you can pick up a SIM card for your phone, and there's also much familiar food. A SIM card's going to run you about $5 plus the load, etc. They'll set you up. Probably run you about $10 all total. If you follow the video, you can see where to go to get your SIM card and load all taken care of. They'll give you all the advice that you need. Tell them you're a subscriber of the Expensive Expat. They always give me a great discount, and they'll make sure you get everything you need and get all set up and good to go. SM Mall. There's about 84 of them in the Philippines, I believe. And this particular one is about 1.5 million square feet. There's about 40 to 45 restaurants with their roots in America, like there's a Wendy's there. The reason I keep bringing up food is the fact that when you come from America, you're not used to the local Filipino food. And here you can find food that you're familiar with until you get to know the local cuisine. More on that later. I spent a little extra time showing you the mall here, so you know what to expect when you get there. The Filipinos notice there's a vlogger. That's classic. More fun in the Philippines. The cyber zone is where all the stores are that sell electronics. These guys have helped me a lot. Even if they don't have something, they found it for me. This next stop is where I recommend getting a SIM card. They'll just take care of everything you need, make sure you're good to go. That's one of the nicest Nike stores I've ever seen. If you notice all the food and American style places there are here, there's Shakey's, there's KFC, Starbucks, Cinnabon, on and on, French Bakery, Pizza Hut. One thing you won't find a lot of in the Philippines is a good steakhouse. Here we are heading back to the Jeepney. When you get there, just tell the Jeepney driver that you want to get out the Sogo or Dow Terminal, and they will let you out there. Looking straight ahead, you can see hotels in the background. That's Walking Street, about 3 blocks away. That will be covered in another video about Angeles City. Believe it or not, there's a lot more to Angeles City than just Walking Street. When you get to Burger King, you know you're going to be pretty close to McDonald's and the Sogo Hotel and Dow Terminal. Even though you told them where to let you off, just be prepared to remind them. When you're in a jeepney and you want to be let out, just say "Para po." lobby heading for the front door, off to the right are 2 double doors leading out into the parking area. This is also the route to the Dao bus terminal. So when you've decided to leave for your next destination, this is the route you would take to the Dao bus terminal. And from there you can go to Manila, Baguio, or any other destination in northern Luzon. I've made a series of videos about Baguio, Manila, Chinatown, Intramuros, Fort Santiago. So as you're planning your trip to the Philippines, this should get you on the ground, and this last bit of this video will get you on the bus to where you want to go. The next videos you will see will be a series like Baguio and the various destinations there in groups, also Chinatown, Intramuros, Rizal Park, Fort Santiago. Now with those, each one of those will take it from getting on the bus here to the next place of getting off the bus there and to lodging in around the destinations. If you found this interesting or entertaining, please like and subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified of the next videos in the series. Chinatown.
Chinatown. Avenida. There, Avenida. There, Chinatown.
Okay, thank you. There you go. Go down to the bus that says Avenida and hop on. If you were going to Baguio, you would have been directed to a different bus. Once you decide a destination, that video will start out by getting on the bus and picking up where this one leaves off. Thank you for watching, my friend.